Hello everyone, welcome to Mobile's Techland. Today I'm gonna show you how to design a poster but in your own way. So we have this amazing photo and I want to create a poster out of this. First, you can see I have already created a layer and now I'm just gonna simply pick a color which is already existing in the photo. I'm just gonna put 3 drops using the brush tool, and every time I'll keep increasing the size of the brush. Now you might wonder what's going on, but don't worry, I'm just gonna change the blending mode. I have so many different options and it basically depends on the mood I'm going with. Then a text, and I'm going to keep the similar color. The photo itself is very cool, so I'm going with something very classy but at the same time very cool. Then I'll create another layer and put the color blue, and we will also blend it. And if you have seen my previous tutorials, you know how much I love grungy and grainy stuff. This time we will create another layer and completely black out the layer, then use filter noise and then use blending mode to blend it together. As you can see, now it has this filmic texture, like as if the photo was shot on a film camera. But I think the photo is a bit mundane, so I want to create a complementary color, so let's go with yellow. And that's it. This entire tutorial was just to show you that Photoshop is a very creative tool and you don't have to rely on AI or other stuff. You just have to be very creative and do your own thing and do your own design. Thank you very much for watching.